These are some of the most epic moves humanoid robots can do. First up, we've got the smooth dancer. Robots like this one aren't just programmed to move, they've got rhythm. Look at that wave. And who said robots can't be athletes? Check out these flips and spins. Engineers are designing robots to handle moves even gymnasts would find tricky. They're not all about style, they're practical too. Here are robots handling tools like a pro, mastering balance and coordination on its own. Robots can also be incredibly gentle. Handling delicate items requires precise movements. Robots are taking on the kitchen, chopping, stirring, and even plating dishes. And here's where robots get creative. Look at this one drawing. It's sketching with a steady hand, proving that robots can be artists too. Robots are taking movement to the next level. What will they do next?